Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to do a New Year's Eve setup or New Year's Day setup for you. I have already started this project and I'm going to show you some clips of me putting this shimmer wall together. I am using one box of the shimmer wall, which I wish I had two, but I tried to be a little economical and just got one. I just wanted to add that one box will give you a 6 foot by 4 backdrop. And I think 6 feet, you have people that would be over 6 feet. So I'm actually lifting it up a little bit, and then I'm going to try to fill in the gap at the bottom with balloons. I am also going to link everything. I'm going to have links for all the items that I use in the description below. And then also I'm using like 2 balloon kits with black and gold balloons. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put this together. And then afterwards, I'm going to blow up the balloons. All right, here we go. Blown up the balloons and I put them in duplets, and now I'm about to take the balloons and make clusters of 8. So there's a quad. Then I'm putting another cluster in that. And then I'm adding another duplet into this. Then once I have them all in quads of 8, I am going to connect them by the necks. So like these are 2 clusters of 8. So I'm just gonna reach in, grab a neck from this one, grab a neck from this one, and then I'm gonna bring those necks together. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm gonna tie them in a knot to connect them. So then it's connected. And that's what I'm gonna continue to do. So I did make sure each one of my clusters had 18-inch balloons. So I'm gonna just continue to cluster them in 8, and then I'm gonna connect them by the neck just like I just did. Just wanna let you know that I'm leaving all my 5-inch balloons out, and I'm saving those for the end, and I'm gonna connect those. I'll show you coming up. So I'm leaving all my 5-inch balloons. So I've made the garland about 7 feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these 260s to the backdrop so I can be able to attach the garland. So you just take a 260. So I'm gonna do probably about 2 on the top, probably like 1, 2, 3 going down the sides, 1, 2, 3 going down the sides, and maybe 1 in the middle at the top. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to connect my 260s, and then I'm gonna begin to attach my garland. So this is what I've done so far. I have a C shape going around the shimmer wall. So now I'm about to attach the 5-inch balloon. So right now I think it looks beautiful, but don't stop there. Make sure you add your 5-inch balloons. That's one of the tips I give for making balloon garlands, even though I'm not a professional. But you want to make sure you put those 5-inch. So I have a 260 cut in half, and I made sure I mixed up the cluster. So I have a cluster of 3 here, and I have a cluster of 4. And so then you just take it, and I probably will step back and see if there are like any gaps and stuff too. But you just take it and you wrap it around some balloon. Like that. So I was able to get this done with 1 box. So it made it economical. Because at first I thought I really needed the 2 boxes, but I'm gonna show you this picture that inspired me to work with the 1 box. Feel free to put a banner on this. Feel free to use it for an anniversary. Feel free to use it for a birthday party, birthday celebration. This wall is versatile. And then if you set it up, use a fan. You will see it in the intro and the outro. I get the shimmer to move, the little shimmer pieces, from a fan. So please tell me what you think about this setup. This is like one of my favorite setups. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me. Have a happy new year. Until I see you next time.